Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put Android apps to deep sleep mode, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone, and first of all we need to go to our settings. Okay, this is my settings and I'm going to open it. And if you want to put Android apps to deep sleep mode, we need to go to the battery setting. It's over here. Go to the battery setting and choose background usage limit. Okay, and here we have two options guys. We have sleeping apps and also deep sleeping apps. And since we want to put apps to deep sleep mode, we can go to this menu or this option. Okay, and these are the applications which have been automatically added to deep sleeping apps because it's rarely used. So if you have an application which is rarely used on your Samsung Galaxy phone or your Android mobile phone, it will be automatically added to deep sleeping apps list, just like this. And this is the application I have added, not automatically added, but I added this application to this deep sleeping apps list. Okay, if you want to add more applications guys, you just need to click on this plus icon. Okay, and then you just need to select the applications you want to put to deep sleep mode. Okay, and for me I'm just going to choose for example this grab application because it's rarely used, and also this application. Okay, once you're done, you just need to click on add like this, and the application will be added to the deep sleeping apps. Okay, and you can read the information right here. Deep sleeping apps will never run in the background and may not receive updates or notifications. They only work when you open them. Okay, and it will be so useful if you want to save your battery, because the deep sleeping apps will never run in the background, so it will not consume your battery on your Android mobile phone. Okay guys, and that's all the way to put Android apps to deep sleep mode, especially on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!